How to link your Twitch account to your EA account, that is Electronic Arts account. For this, what we have to do is simply open the browser on your computer or the PC and go to the Twitch official website. So let me just do that. I will open my browser and you just have to copy the same steps I'm showing you in the video. Please watch this till the end. I'm on official website and going to my profile option on EA, that is Electronic Arts. Here I will sign in with my Gmail ID that is registered with this account. You have to remember your password for your Gmail so that you can sign in without any problem to your Twitch account. Now, after signing in to the Twitch account, what you have to do is simply continue and access all the permission from your Gmail account. Here you have to click your country and your place where do you live. Let me just click on the next button to create it. I will accept all the terms and condition here to create my account, as I don't have any account right now on the Twitch. So firstly I'm creating an account, then I will show you the process that how you can do this thing. Now I have account ready here. This is my homepage on my account after logging in, but I will click on my profile option on the right top of the screen, that is account setting. On the Twitch account setting, you can see on the left there is a lot of option. I will scroll to the down, and on the bottommost corner of the screen there will be an option of connections, as you can see on it. Click on the connection and here you can see all my linked accounts. I can see Twitch here also. If I want to unlink my Twitch account, I can click on the unlink button, and if I want to link my Twitch account, I have to click on the link button, where you have to enter your Twitch ID, your password, and then yes, you are signing into your electronics art account with Twitch. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.